Okay, so today we have a Decca Hi-Fi Palm Beach 8 solid state record player, and got it from my aunt. And when I turn it on, it does turn. And I hear a tiny bit of sound, but not very much sound at all. So we're gonna open it up and see if we can figure out how to get it sounding better. Okay, so it looks like we've got 4 screws, and we're just going to take those out. And the record that came with it was Tom Jones, but the record's really beat up. Okay, so then this, I think, should just come up. Yeah, nice. And I see some immediate problems.
Wow.
So our wire right here is disconnected, right? So we've got to fix that. I'm not sure what's going on with this. That's a little strange. Our speaker looks good. Our circuit looks good. So let's get this soldered up and then we'll test it again. Put a little flux on there. Okay, now let's try it again. Okay, so we got it all soldered up. Now we're going to try it again. Okay, where's our record album?
Like there in my arms.
Sounds better, huh?
It does.
What did you do
this to me? I have no idea what this album is.
That's some pretty rockin' stuff. Okay, so let's... Oh, I see. This clips onto there. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take the circuit board out and I'm going to replace the caps in there. You can hear some high voltage or some hum on there, and so we don't want that hum.
I thought you were going to say you can hear me humming. I was like, what?
No. And I don't have my sockets in here, so we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. And then we'll clean the potentiometers out. I bet this is going to sound pretty good.
You bet.
So one of the things that's kind of interesting about this is that they use the electric motor as a transformer. And so you can see here you have the 110 volts coming in to here, and then you have a much lower voltage coming out of the motor. So the motor has to be on for it to be working. Let me just... So I'm just going to replace the capacitors. It still sounds pretty terrible, and I bet that'll clean it up. It's kind of interesting. You can see
What's up, your girl's back.
the 2 transistors right here are in heat sinks, and so this front plate is acting as a heat sink. So we have a Cosmic, I've never heard of that, electrolytic 150 microfarad, 15 volts, so we'll replace that. And I don't have that size, so I'm going to use a bigger one, because I think that's just the power filter. And let's see. Okay, now the more important ones are the ones that are in the signal path. It looks like the only rectification is that one diode right there. But let's, this is kind of strange here. But yeah, let's pull this one. It's weird because that goes right in with that white wire. They're both using the same hole. It's all okay. Well, that's another cosmic capacitor. That's a 10 microfarad. Replace that. .33 RPM. What's going on here? Yeah, I think that needs to come more like that. This needs to come more like... Looks like I got some speed problems at 33. Just clean it off with some alcohol. So it looks like the wheel just rides along the inside here. So we get that cleaned up. The rubber doesn't seem too bad actually. It says Alliance Genie. Just get a little oil around the Yeah, I'll have to clean that off too. Doesn't look like the rubber's disintegrated though, that's good. Yeah, look at the shaft is actually just graduated, but it seems to still work though. I don't know. Whoops. A little oil on it. Oil in here. The motor and everything look kind of good. Well, hopefully that helped. Let's try it again.
Did you ride to the end of the house? Crowded and rushed together.
So let's take a look at the Palm Beach, a little closer look at the Palm Beach 13. I guess I stated that wrong. I said it was 8, but it's 13. The groovy hi-fi label on there. And cleaned up the knobs. The case is in really good condition, actually, although the hinges are pulled out and back. But it cleaned up nice. So I think it turned out pretty great. It sounds pretty good for the small speaker that it has and kind of the minimalist part amplifier that it has. I had to replace these 3 capacitor, again, Cosmic brand. I don't know who makes those. And I had to clean off the mechanism and oil it. But here, you know, I think we can listen to the beautiful sound quality.
This job I had one time as a talent scout. I'm gonna tell you a story that's all about this job I had one time as a talent scout. I had a hard day at the office and the boss wasn't in town. The day this hairy-legged guitar picker just happened to come around.
What do you think, Cat?
Well, he walks into my office with this great big grin. And folks, that's where my story really begins. He said, son, my name is Bodyguard Rick. I come to you from Tupelo, Mississippi. I ride songs and I sing like a bird. I play licks on my guitar like you ain't never heard. But I'm down on the luck. Things are just a little slack. I got a quarter in my pocket.
So there's my Decca cardboard phonograph repair. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you did. And there's more to come.